Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another tutorial on how to do the soft lock and or distress lock, well, whatever you call it. It's all the same thing. If you haven't gotten this style before, trust me, you're sleeping on this style. This style is so lovely. It's so easy to maintain. People love getting it because it's very lightweight, unlike the regular locks. It's much more easy to maintain and it's so easy to do. So today I'm showing you a quick and easy tutorial on how to do it. And as you can see, I'm just combing out some part of her hair. She wants the medium size for this size. So I'm parting out edges. I try as much as I can not to braid my client edges to save their edges. That way they can maintain a healthy hair growth all around. So I'm just gonna cornroll our natural hair and I'm gonna cornroll it all the way to the ends. I mean, she's getting single braids, so I'm doing single cornrows all over her hair. So I'm gonna do it before the installation. You can do it as you go, but I prefer to just finish the single cornrows before, I mean the single natural braids before the installation. So you want to get you want to make sure your part is the same size. After parting, I'm just applying my edge control or conditioner gel. That way it gives it a neater look. And then comb it through the hair and then just keep braiding until you're done with the regular braids. And here's the finished look for the natural single braid. You can see how neat my part is, and it's all the same size that she wants. So the amount of single braids we do will determine the fullness of the locks. So the more locks, the more, I mean, the more single braids, the more locks. And this is the jam that I use. I use the pure knit braid jam. I like the fact that it's not too shiny and it doesn't cause flakiness or itchiness or anything like that. So if you're interested, I'll put it down in the link below. So right now I'm ready to install. As you can see, I'm using a freetress crochet locks, and I'm gonna insert my needle, my crochet needle. There is a hand, it has two ends, and I'm installing it into the one that has like a hole. So I'm gonna put in the ends of the other locks through the hole. So you want to make sure one is longer than the other. So the other one is like 3/4 of one. And then I'm just unraveling the smaller part and I'm just gonna wrap it all around the hair. So this is just to hide the single braids. So the on the longer ends is gonna be is still gonna be the natural ends of the locks, if that makes sense. So you wanna keep wrapping until you get to the end of the natural hair, and you wanna wrap it all over your palm, and that's pretty much it. This style is so easy to install. Trust me, guys. So this is the ends. As you can see, the ends still look natural. We only wrap the smallest side of it on our natural hair. That way our natural single braids that we did is not showing. So I'm just showing you guys one more time. So just keep watching till the end. If you have any questions, leave it down below in the comment section. I will definitely reply. Don't forget to like this video. Kindly subscribe if this is your first time on my channel, and just keep watching. Thank you. So I'm going to show you guys another technique to make sure your wrapping is tightly secured. You can get your got2b gel after wrapping and then spray it on it and then wrap it on your palm. That way you're sure it's tightly secured. It's optional, it's not compulsory, but just to show you guys another method you can use to secure the wrap. And here is the finished look. This style is so pretty, guys. This is my client's second installation. She loves getting this style. Like I said, it's lasts long and it's so easy to maintain. You can put it in a bun, you can leave it down, you can put it all in a bun. Like, it's so versatile. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you like this video as much as it did. Thank you so much for watching. My Instagram is at sortout112, my Facebook at sortout. And I will see you guys in the next tutorial. If there's any tutorial you would love to see on my channel, kindly leave it down below and I'll definitely make it for you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.